In Python, integer division works by doing division, but not keeping the fractional part. Let's start off by doing a simple one. Print 3 double division bar 2. If this was regular division, with just one division bar, you know the answer would be 1.5. Let's run the code and see what the answer is. 1. From that you can see that integer division, where the answer is positive, just truncates or cuts off the fractional part. What happens if the answer is negative though? Let's do print -1 double division bar 3. The non-integer division answer to this is -1/3. So one might think the answer is just 0. Let's run the code. Turns out, no. Integer division where the answer is negative always rounds down, meaning although 0 is certainly closer to -1/3 than -1, -1/3 rounds down to -1. So it is the answer. This has been Jacobication. Like and subscribe to learn more.